Well, this was the first of its kind. I was really impressed with what we managed to put together on a technical level, and I was also really impressed that there were some ministers and commissioners that were also taking part in the technical discussions. I think it's one of many discussions and platforms to come of us working together on the topic of agriculture development and the development of food security on the different islands. And I think even though we broke away from the Antilles, it's still good that we collaborate on areas as small islands where we can maximize our efforts and maximize the outputs. So this, for one, is one of those areas where I feel like if we do continue on this track, which I feel like we will continue on this track, that it will benefit all of the islands and communities.
I know the ministry is working very hard after the whole pandemic thing, and even maybe a little bit before, trying to get people back into the farming and planting, etc., because this is very important. How is it going with those mini programs? Are they still up and running?
Well, you know,
how's the funding for them?
Yes, on St. Maarten we do have a very nominal fund, and we have tried to make good use of the fund, but this entire process has enlightened us on different incentives that we can offer to our local farmers. We're still going through the process of inventarizing everyone who is in the agricultural sector and all of the products that are being developed, manufactured, grown, etc. So we're basically almost starting from scratch, I would say, from a government perspective, but we're definitely committed to ensuring that locally we do stimulate our farmers and stimulate the industry, because I think right now we are very focused on processed foods and, you know, easy, quick food, but we do need to move back to, let's say, go back to basics, go back to move forward. And I think once we are able to get the right formula on St. Maarten, we will be able to do what we need to do to ensure that the industry is attractive for people to go into, that we offer the right incentives, and that, yeah, we get what we want out of the industry.
And healthy food.
And healthy food. Healthy food, healthy community, and food security.